Hello children. So today I'll explain the parts of speech, but one word only. I'll take one word. So that word will be in different parts of speech. Okay, we know already parts of speech, right? How many? 8 are there. So noun, pronoun, like that, verb, adverb, adjective, interjection, prepositions, like that we have 8. But here I am going to talk about 4 parts of speech, and based on only one word. I will take one word, and we can see how it will be having the 4 forms. Some words will not have the all the 4 forms. So here I have taken 4 parts of speech, that is noun, verb, adjective and adverb. Okay, noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Just let me explain what is noun. We know, right? What is noun? Naming word, right? The word which is used to name a thing. It may be visible thing or non-visible thing, physical or non-physical thing. So pronouns, proper nouns, common noun, collective nouns, material noun, abstract noun, like that so many nouns are there. Here we are going to discuss about material noun, abstract noun. Okay, let me explain this. So this noun has another form, verb also. What is verb? Action verb. Here we are considering only action verbs. Okay, and adjective. What is adjective? So which describes the noun. Adjective means what? Which describes the noun. So additional qualities it will give. Then what about adverb? Adverb means, so it is nothing but which describes the verb. Okay, adverb means which describes verb. Noun means, adjective means which describes noun, and adverb is which describes verb. Like that you can remember. Okay, don't get confused. Very important topic. So I will explain how these verbs will be. Okay, let me first one. I had just one example. I have taken addition. Here addition is the noun. Okay, addition is the noun form. Addition is in noun form, abstract noun it is. Okay, and what about the verbal form of noun? Addition. So same word only, addition, noun only. For this, if they ask what is the verbal form, means add. Add is the verbal form. Okay, then what is the adjective form of noun? Addition. Additional or additive. Additional or additive. Any one is correct. And what about the adverbial form of addition? Additionally. Okay, additionally. Another word also you can take, comfort. Comfortable, comfort, comfortably, like that. So here one more example I want to give. Here agreement. Agreement is the noun form. What is, okay, here agreement is the noun form. For the same word we have the verbal form. What is agree? Agree is the verbal form. Then what about the adjective form? Agreeable. Most of the cases we can get able, able at the last for adjectival forms. Agreeable, agreeably, bly. For what? Adverb. A word is same only, just it will be having the 4 forms. Some words will not have all the 4 forms, but noun will be there, but either adverb or adjective may not be there, some cases. But most of the words they will be having all 4 forms. Ability, enable, able, ably. Bath, bath, bathing. For this no adverb. Like that I told. No, next. So I will give the examples how to make a sentence for each word, because you have the topic. So no, that's why I am explaining the noun. First noun we will take addition. So how to make a sentence by using this word? We have to write the sentence. In addition to the animals, we have bought their food. In addition to, whenever we are using this word addition, in addition to compulsory will be there. In addition to her problems, she lost her job. Okay, and addition, extra things, adding the extra things. Then what about the verb? If I want add, you know, right? Very familiar word this is, add. She can add 2 5-digit numbers. Then adjective, additional. What is the adjective of add? Additional. So as she couldn't finish her test, she will get additional time, extra time. Time is the noun here. So before the noun, additional has come as an adjective. Add is the verb here. Then additionally we divided the year into a dry season and a rainy season. Additionally is the adverb. Okay, I'll take one more word. Here I have taken agreement also. Let me write the sentence already I wrote here. So here see noun, agreement. She had an agreement. She made an agreement with me. Agreement is the noun form. Now what is the verbal form of agreement? Agree. We have to make one sentence. I agree with my parents in all matters. Agree is the verb. Okay, agree is the verb. Next, adjective, agreeable. It is agreeable means everything is acceptable manner. Right. The company rules are not agreeable. Rules here is noun, right? So here we are describing about what type of rule. They are not agreeable rules. Okay, it is agreeable thing. Like that we can make the sentence. Then adverb, agreeably. Adverb is agreeably. So she spoke to me agreeably. Agreeably means what? In a pleasant manner, peaceful manner, which other people can accept her words. Like that she spoke. Then we were agreeably surprised by the price. Next, another word I have taken here, ability. Noun form is ability. Example, Smitha has ability to face any problem. Ability is the noun form. I have the ability to get good marks. You can make like the sentence. Same verbs you take, but make your own sentences. Same these three things only try. Verb, enable. It is the verbal form of ability, enable. My mother enables me to continue my studies. Okay. Then adjective is able. He is well able to play the guitar. Then adverb, ably. She controlled the meeting very ably. Adverb. So these three words I have explained. Then you also give some more examples for each word. After that you can try another also. But I will give you some more words, I will give you so that you can learn and try it. You have to make your own sentences. Okay.